little bit of help. I got the screws on here and everything. Yeah, shout out him for real. Shout out Isaiah. I fucking closed my oh, there we go. But yeah, help me get these. It's like 7 now. I started recording at 5. I have not had the patience to be doing this. So everything is in here. So this is where the gold is. Everything else is silver. Well, aluminum, but you get the point. Dude. Alright, now let me take the sound system out. All I need to do is unplug a couple of stuff, and then I'll be good. Unplug that. Take this off. Take that off. Take that off. Jesus. Jesus. Oh shit, my screwdriver. Dude, I'm trying to keep this intact as much as possible. Dude. I know you so bad. Fucking finally. Now I'm just gonna unwrap this. Wait, hold on. Wait. First I need to unwrap. Yeah, right here. So, get tape off.
And then there's a girl that's like, fuck you, Steve.
Get this through here. Take this out. Just like so. Recording. But, no, you're good.
Just gotta be careful because of the soy sauce.
Oh, thank you, ma'am.
Yeah.
Thanks, Mom.
Be very careful with the soy.
Oh, shit, I didn't realize.
Do you want me to move this out of the way?
No, it's good. I'm recording.
Okay, literally the soy sauce.
I got it. I'm recording, so I kind of can't.
You just told me to make you food, you goof.
Yeah, I'm aware. I can eat and do this.
Well, those are really juicy, so be careful when you bite into them. Like,
all
literally, like, very juicy. Straight?
I'm straight.
Okay. Love you.
Love you, Mom.
Come on, Pee. Come on, Pee.
Hey, in.
Hey, in. No food, only electronics. Love you, kiddo.
Love you. Yep, I got it through. Now I just need to get. This is the most frustrating one in my opinion. Ooh, don't penetrate the other wires. I'm trying to keep this as pristine quality as possible. One day this is going to be considered vintage, which I hate. It's only from 2007. There we go. There it is right there. Another one to my collection on the wall. Now, oh shit, my screwdriver. There we go. Screw that. Yep, now I just gotta get this ribbon, which after I do this, we flip it over and hold up. Not trying to fuck with the ribbon. Here we are. Oh, there's no cover. That's kind of weird. There we are. I'll get a little bit closer for this. Hold up. Let me have a dumpling. Cool. So good. Where's my, okay. So now, oh shit, what the fuck? That scared me. Fuck. Dude, what? Dude, I can't get it. I'm gonna keep trying. I'm gonna try all these screws with my screwdriver. Nope. 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 Middle one, maybe? Nope. Oh. Dude. Dude, what? Oh, his man voice came out. Can't fucking get this. Yeah, what the fuck? There we go. Alright, so that's one down. Almost two. Almost three. Okay. Alright, well, let me go ahead and get these three real quick. Let me set this down. Yep. Huh, almost put my screw in my dumpling tray. Dumplings are so good. I got it though, right? There, yeah, that's the middle one. Fourth screw. There was only one that was like really, really hard to get out. And it was fucking like, dude. I'm pretty sure it was just a normal Phillips. Dude, the drill bit part, where you put the drill bit in, dude. So fucking, whatever it's called, whenever it's, hold up. Fuck. Dude, I'm hurting myself. Hold on, wait, first, let me actually put it in there. Did I get it? Yep, got it. So there's one more screw, and this entire panel's coming out. Then I'm gonna get this one, which has the chip. I'm pretty sure this one has the chip too. I just don't feel like getting out my chair right now and checking my utility shelf. Or not my shelf, technically my computer that Jesus, it is raining. Alright. So let's okay, so that is the last screw. And so this, I haven't found out if, yeah, I'm pretty sure this is the motherboard. I haven't checked model numbers in a while. Dude, the screw's so hard to get out. Oh, shit, I forgot to, no? Oh, I gotta get, dude. So, there's a port for, power right there, and it has screws on it, so I'm gonna have to get that out. And for this other one, there's a fuck ton of shit I need to do, so. Flip this on its side. Y'all won't really be able to see this part. Alright, so that's dude, I can't get this fucking right. Alright, there we go. Now I can get this. Oh, shit. Alright, now I'm going to flip this back on the side since I can actually unscrew it now. Fuck. Oh yeah, this one works too, so they both can get unscrewed. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's for like a power supply, so I don't think that would be the motherboard, and if it would, that would be really weird to power supply in the fucking motherboard. I mean, I don't know. I've only taken about taken apart one other gateway monitor. Yeah. Good shit. What's back here? Oh, there we go. me unplug this. Dude. Oh. There we go. Also unplug the sound system, so here. Oh, that's a fresh chip. And it has the pin headers on it too. Not chip, I'm pretty sure could be a modular. But yeah, pretty solid. I'm gonna set that on my pillow of doom and despair. Alright, now my favorite part of the job. Oh, okay, these ones are coming out surprisingly easy. What about this one? I bet this one's gonna be really hard. Wow. It's like oh, maybe this is the main thing that needs to be repaired like a lot. So nope, because there's a screw right there that's really hard to get. So only 3 screws, well, and the other ones on this side, but let's not talk about that. Because those are gonna be fucking traumatic for me. Dude, I think I can get this last one with my screwdriver. Nah, I'm gonna have to use the drill bit of doom and despair. There we go. Loosened it up a little. Now y'all are kind of getting a better angle. Oh, that's what I should have done. I should have flipped this around so you would have. No one really knows that I do this besides like family. I mean, not even my grandparents know I do this kind of stuff. They don't even know like I like stuff like this. Yep, there's the screw right there. And I cannot get that, so I'm gonna have to use. Once again, blah 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 despair or whatever. I don't fucking know. There we go. So I'm almost about to be to the most painful part of taking this apart. Not the strip screws. Oh wait, yeah, that's the name of them. Stripped. Not the strip screws. Not taking the casing off, not prying it. Prying it was actually relatively easy this time around. It's getting these little twisty things without any help. Can I use this? Oh, okay, this is surprisingly easy to do this time around. Dude. Yeah, I only have one more left, and then this last board's coming out. So that marks almost the end of the take apart, which shouldn't have took this long. Normally it takes me at least 30 minutes, but there was a bunch of strip screws on this one, and prying it apart was extra hard. Like it almost got glued. Like 13 different layers of glue or something. Is there another screw I'm missing? No, yeah. Don't tell me there's another screw that I'm missing. I can't just push it out, so. Oh! It's because of this. pretty sure I just broke that, but cable, put that aside. Yep, snaps off. Dude, this stupid fucking tape for the ribbon wire. Oh yeah, hold on, wait. I completely forgot about the ribbon wire. Let me get that. And there we are. That's the one with the Genesis chip. Nice. Yeah. Honestly, it's in perfect condition. I see no blown capacitors or anything. I don't know why this was going for so cheap. Like, metal's all shiny. It's all reflective and stuff. But yeah, let me get the sound system out and go to move everything out the way so we can see what we got. We'll obviously know what we got if we watch the video, but move this to the floor. So, first item we have the, I don't know, let's see, 79081. I'm pretty sure that would just be where the ports are and everything, kind of like the USB port. And then we got the main thing, which, once again, let me compare them to my other ones that I have real quick. Let me pull out my case. Let's just set that back down. I only need 2 parts. That and this. Now you can go back under there. So, if we compare them to the ones that I already had, you can see this one's a lot more weared down. And put them side to side, you can see one's a lot more darker green than another. Oh wait, let me put them like that. One's also a hell of a ton more dustier than this one. So, yeah. Yeah, I'd say, so we got this one, and so yeah, those are the hardware we got. Then we got a USB port, which I will have. I don't think really a buyer would want that, so mainly probably not going to sell it. But yeah, let me put all the casings and everything in the case area of dome. But yeah, that's